sun slowly climbs over the golden horizon, sending warm beams across the vast grasslands. Birds take flight, gliding above swaying savanna grass. Far below, the newly formed lion guard walks in a loose formation. Kion leads, energetic and alert. Beshte trots along happily, humming. Bunga hops on rocks. Fuli runs circles around the team. Ono flies overhead like a watchful scout. Kion moves with confidence but also a lingering uncertainty. He glances up at the sky as if hoping to hear his grandfather Mufasa's voice again. Oh, sky's clear. Kion, perfect weather for patrol. Bunga hops next to Kion, flicking his tail. Bunga, yeah, and perfect weather for a snack. Is it termite season yet? Fuli rolls her eyes. Fuli, termite season. Bunga, you think everything is snack season. Beshte lets out a deep, cheerful laugh. Beshte, let's focus, guys. First official patrol of the day. Kion nods, trying to slip into leader mode. Kion, right. Remember, we're here to protect the circle of life. Keep your eyes open for trouble. Bunga salutes dramatically. Bunga, aye, fearless leader. Flu speeds ahead, smirking. Fuli, he's fearless. Bunga, not flawless. Kion gives her a playful shove as he trots forward. Kion, alright team, let's prove we earned our places. Ixt watering hole day, the watering hole glistens under the sun. Antelope graze peacefully nearby. The scene is calm, until a distant low rumble vibrates through the earth. Ono swoops lower, his eyes narrowing. Oh no, strange, something's disturbing the herd. Kion tenses. Kion, let's get closer. They approach the water. A sudden rush of hooves breaks the calm. Dozens of antelope begin running in wild circles, eyes wide with panic. Dust rises, swirling in choking clouds. Fully woe, they're spooked. Beshte, everyone stay back, they're gonna stampede. The antelope panic grows louder, their hooves pounding like rolling thunder. Kion steps forward, trying to shout over the chaos. Kion, lion guard, we've got to stop the herd before someone gets hurt. Bunga rushes ahead fearlessly. Bunga, leave it to me. I'll stop M with my stink. Fuli speeds ahead to intercept him. Fully Bunga, no way. We don't even know what scared them. Bunga skids to a stop. Confused. Bunga, right. Good point. Ono circles above the frantic herd. Oh no. Kian, something moved in the grass. Something big. Kian, big like what? Oh no, big like bigger than Beshte. Beshte ears perk in surprise. Beshte, that's pretty big. The ground rumbles again. The grass parts like waves. A massive Cape buffalo emerges. Wounded, confused, snorting aggressively. Fully, that explains the panic. Kian, it's hurt. Tono, it's headed toward the herd. Kion thinks quickly. Ears low, tail twitching. Kion, we need a plan. We need. Fuli cuts him off. Impatience clear. Fully, Kion decide. Kion grips the earth and swings toward his team. Kion, Beshte, get between the buffalo and the antelope. Slow it down. Fully help guide the herd away from the water. Oh no! Keep eyes on the buffalo's movements. Bunga, yes sir. Kion, try calming the calves. They get scared easiest. Bunga nods proudly and races off. Bunga, you got it. But he calms scared kids like Uncle Bunga. Fuli smirks and dashes toward the herd. Fully, at least he's not wrong. Beshte charges forward with his massive, steady steps, placing himself firmly in the buffalo's path. Beshte, hey there, buddy. Easy now. Stops. The buffalo snorts loudly and tries to push past him. Beshte stands firm, pushing back gently. Beshte, you're okay. We're here to help. Ono hovers overhead, calling down updates. Oh no, it's slowing but not for long. It's still agitated. Kion watches anxiously, chewing his lip. Kion, come on. Fuli runs lightning fast around the panicked antelope, nudging leaders, redirecting the herd. Fully, this way, follow me. Calm down, keep moving. Her speed and precision help loosen the chaos. The herd begins shifting toward open space. Bunga approaches several frightened antelope calves huddled between rocks. Bunga, hey, don't be scared. You're safe. You ever see a honey badger do a backflip? He attempts one, lands on his head, but the calves giggle instead of crying. Bunga, See, laughter solves everything. Kion smiles briefly, then focuses again. He approaches the buffalo slowly. Kion, easy. You're hurt. We're not here to fight you. The buffalo snorts, lowering its horns. Kion freezes. Uncertainty flashes in his eyes. Kion, I need to be brave, but I need to be smart. A faint breeze rustles through the trees. Kion closes his eyes, listening. Mufa, Say's voice soft, deep, encouraging. Remember, Kian, leadership is not about strength, it is about wisdom and trust. Kion's eyes open, glowing with renewed determination. Kion Lion Guard, new plan. Fuli skids beside him. Fuli, let's hear it. I in the buffalo isn't trying to attack it, trying to get back to its herd. We need to clear it a path. Beshte guide it left, toward the open clearing. Beshte, you got it. Kion Fuli, circle behind and nudge it gently in Beshta's direction. Fuli on it. Kion Bunga oh no, keep the antelope far from the path. Oh, affirmative. Bunga, leave the antelopes to me. The team springs into action. Fuli darts behind the buffalo, tapping its hind with quick, controlled nudges. Fuli, come on, big guy. Wrong way is that way, right way is this way. Beshte walks softly, humming a low, soothing tune as he angles the buffalo. Beshte, easy. Follow me, friend. Slowly, the buffalo begins to calm. Its hooves slow, its breath softens. Kion watches, proud of his team. Kion, that's it. ... Almost there. Bunga leaps onto a rock, waving his paws. Bunga, antelopes, the path is blocked. This way, trust me, I know danger. I am danger. Ono swoops to help guide the stragglers. Ono, follow me, keep your distance. Little by little, order returns. The antelope herd settles. The buffalo moves freely toward the clearing. The rumbling stops. Kion exhales slowly, a deep wave of relief washing over him. Kion, we did it. Fuli nudges him playfully. Fuli, you did good, leader. Kion blushes slightly. Kion, we all did good. The buffalo stops at the edge of the clearing. Beshte stands beside it. Beshte, you're gonna be okay, buddy. Your herd isn't far. The buffalo grunts, softly, then trots away, disappearing into the savannah. Kion turns to his team, tail raised proudly. Kion, Lion Guard, great work today. Bunga, I know, I was amazing, right? Fuli, we were amazing. Bunga Ono lands gracefully beside Kion. Ono, Kion, that was impressive. You adapted fast. Kion smiles shyly. Kion, I had help from all of you. Beshte gives him a gentle head bump. Beshte, that's what we're here for. Kion looks out across the returning calm of the watering hole, the gentle breeze, the peaceful animals, the restored harmony. Kion looks like the circle of life is safe for another day. Bunga, which means it's snack time. Fuli sighs. Fuli, Bunga. Bunga, what? Hero work makes me hungry. Though team laughs, Kion looks at them with pride, warmth filling his chest. Kion, come on guys, let's keep patrolling. The Pride Lands are counting on us. The Lion Guard cheers. Then begins their walk across the savannah, stronger, closer, and more united than ever. As they move, the sky above seems to shimmer. A faint, warm voice echoes on the wind. Muffer. Sa's voice soft. Well done. Kion, your journey has only just begun. Kion lifts his head toward the sky, smiling with quiet confidence. Kion, I won't let you down, Grandpa. The Lion Guard marches toward the horizon as the sun glows brighter, signaling the start of a new adventure. Fade out.